Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Syska Bolt SW200 Smartwatch. Now the reason I'm very excited for this one is that it checks out everything and more that you look for in a smartwatch. Like it comes with a metal alloy casing. It's not something that we see in smartwatches that are priced at just $2,499. Wow! So let's quickly unbox it, see how it looks, how it performs. By the way, we'll also be doing a giveaway for this unit, so stay tuned till the end. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Syska Bolt SW200. You can see the picture of the watch on the front. Down here you can see it says time for new. Towards here you can see some of the list of its features. Multi-sport mode, SpO2 monitoring, music and camera control, health tracking, female health tracking, smart notifications, weather report and 100+ versatile watch faces. On this side you can see some QR codes. The top QR code is to check for authenticity. The down QR code is for warranty, and here's another QR code which you scan to download the Syska Bolt App. Towards the back are the list of some of its specifications and the MRP, which is $5,499. Alright, let's unbox it. And there we go. We can see the watch inside. Wow, that's this lovely blue color. Keep it aside. It says user manual and charging cable. We'll just open it up and check. So there it is, the user manual and a proprietary magnetic charging cable. So let's have a closer look at it. So you can see the display is covered with a sticker to protect it from damage. We'll just remove it. Please charge the watch completely before you use it. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So first thing you can see is that it has a round dial. The build quality looks really nice. The frame is made of metal. You can see from the side it's got this grey finish, and this matte finish also won't attract any fingerprints. Lovely. Since the build is made of metal, you can see that it looks really premium. We have one button on the side. Towards the back we have all the sensors, and this looks so nice. So this has the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals here. The straps can be swapped with any third-party bands thanks to this hook mechanism here. You can press this and remove the strap. Very simple. The straps are made of soft silicone material, really soft breathable material. Has this texture on the top. It has a buckle design. The buckle too is made of metal and has this nice Syska branding. Let's wear the watch and see. There you go, really comfortable and gets a very good grip on your wrist. Let's have a closer look at the display. So it has a circular 1.28-inch LCD display. The colors look really vivid and the text is quite sharp. It also gets bright enough to use outdoors, and the good thing is that you can manually adjust the brightness in the settings. I've said this before, the lesser the brightness, the better the battery life. So keep that in mind. The Syska Bolt comes with Bluetooth 5.0, can be paired with both Android and iPhone. You'll need to download the Syska Bolt app from the Play Store for Android and the App Store for iPhone. The pairing process is fairly simple and it can be done in a couple of minutes. The smartphone comes with a heart rate sensor that measures your beats per minute. We also have everyone's favorite SpO2 that measures your blood oxygen levels. However, use this just for reference and not for medical purpose. Then it also has female health tracking that keeps a tab on women's menstrual cycle. Music control app to control the music that's playing on your phone. You can pause, play, change the track, previous and next, and even control the volume. I've used it several times and it worked really well. It comes with multi-sport mode to track your workouts, walking, running, hiking, swimming, badminton, basketball, elliptical training, yoga, and even cricket. Wow, the list is long. Tested it briefly for a short run. It shows you the time, heart rate, steps, calories burnt and distance. After you end the workout, it will display a summary as well as sync the workout on your Syska Bolt app. The Syska Bolt app is pretty straightforward and easy to use. On the home page, you can see all your activities from steps, heart rate, sleep tracking and even SpO2. Further here, you can set alarms. Click here to find the watch and your watch will vibrate. Dial gallery where you can download more than 100+ watch faces, analog and digital. The collection is huge. You can also custom set an image from your phone as a watch face. You can even choose the style and position of the date and time. It's amazing. Select the image and click Set to Dial. There you go. You can turn on call reminders from here, so it will alert you with vibration for an incoming call. Then there's a camera option, which basically gives you shutter control to take pictures from your phone camera. Then notifications reminder, where you can choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Sedentary reminders, so it gives you alerts so you are more active. Hand sanitization alert, and this is so good considering these pandemic times. Do not disturb mode, health monitor, rise to wake, factory reset, and firmware version. By the way, you can even update the software of the watch from this update option. Let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from the top to access quick toggles. You have do not disturb, settings, brightness settings. You can also see the battery percentage and whether your watch is paired to your phone via Bluetooth or not. Swipe from down to access your notifications. Swipe right, you have your daily activity. You have heart rate, weather, and music. You go all the way back to home page, and if you swipe left, you have your sports data, your sports workouts, sports record, then you have heart rate, sleep tracking, blood oxygen, female health tracking, music, weather, stopwatch, timer, message, find phone, and settings. So overall, a really smooth user experience. Alright, let's talk about the battery. So it comes with a 350 mAh battery and the company claims 10 days. Battery life will vary for everyone. It depends on display brightness, your notifications on and off, and watch faces. So it's hard to predict. But considering that the battery is bigger than most smartwatches in this segment, it should get you around that much. The magnetic charger aligns on its own as you bring it closer and starts charging. It takes the watch around 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Alright, final thoughts. So the only thing this watch lacks is probably built-in GPS. But again, I wouldn't call it a con because for a watch at this price, it would be so hard to expect that. So it's pretty good. The Syska Bolt SW200 ticks all the basics we look for in a smartwatch, and for the price, it's a great option to consider. It's priced at just $2,499 and will be available in 3 colors: blue, black, and green. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Alright, if you've made it till here, you're waiting for the giveaway. So there are 4 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechSing. 2nd, follow me on my Twitter handle, Mr. TechSing. Like the Syska Bolt post on Twitter and retweet that post. One winner will be announced when this tweet crosses 1000 likes and 1000 tweets. Simple. This is probably the easiest target to achieve, I'm sure. Also share this video with your friends and family so we can pick a winner as early as possible. You can control it now. So don't waste any time, just subscribe, follow, like, and retweet. Remember, you need to follow all these 4 steps to participate. So this is it, guys. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. Yes, I'm a Dave2D fan. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, cheers.